Welcome to Car Zone 2024, where today we are diving into the 2025 Lamborghini Temerario, a masterpiece of automotive design. The Temerario represents Lamborghini's relentless pursuit of performance and style, setting a new benchmark for supercars. Let's start with the exterior design, which is nothing short of breathtaking. The Temerario boasts a sleek, aerodynamic profile that commands attention on the road. At the front, you'll notice an aggressive, low-slung fascia with sharp, angular lines that enhance its aerodynamic efficiency. The signature Lamborghini hexagonal headlights and massive air intakes give it an unmistakable presence, while the sculpted hood adds to its menacing look. Moving to the side, the Lamborghini Temerario features a dramatic silhouette, highlighted by its sharply contoured body panels and expansive side skirts. The car's wide stance is emphasized by its sculpted rear haunches and large, multi-spoke wheels, which not only look stunning but also aid in performance and handling. The attention to detail is evident in the intricate design of the side mirrors and the prominent air vents that channel airflow to optimize cooling. One of the most striking aspects of the Temerario's design is its rear end. The rear features a bold diffuser, a prominent rear wing, and uniquely shaped taillights that echo the car's aggressive styling. The rear exhaust system is integrated into the rear bumper, giving the Temerario a distinctive and purposeful look. The wide, aerodynamic rear diffuser is designed to manage airflow and increase downforce, enhancing both stability and handling. Underpinning all this design is a commitment to performance. Lamborghini's engineers have meticulously crafted the Temerario to deliver exceptional aerodynamic efficiency. The car's design isn't just about aesthetics, it's about enhancing performance, ensuring that every curve and angle serves a functional purpose. The 2025 Lamborghini Temerario is not just a supercar, it's a statement of automotive excellence. From its bold front fascia to its aerodynamic rear end, every element of its design has been engineered to provide an exhilarating driving experience. If you're a fan of cutting-edge automotive design and high-performance engineering, the Temerario is a must-see. Thank you for joining us on this detailed exploration of the 2025 Lamborghini Temerario's exterior. For more in-depth reviews and automotive news, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for updates. Stay tuned to Car Zone 2024 for more exciting